time the ADIRU is powered up, it needs to be initialized so that it knows where it is, which way is north, and which direction the aircraft is pointed. You have to tell the system the aircraft coordinates, and the ADIRU figures out the rest. It just needs a little time to align its reference axes with the rotation of the Earth and compute true heading relative to true north. In this video, we're going to show you how to initialize the 737NG ADIRU after power up. To begin, set both MSU mode switches to nav. Now enter the aircraft position. There are two ways to do this. You can enter the position directly on the ISDU, or you can use the CDU to get the FMCS position data. If you already know the aircraft position, you can enter the coordinates directly on the ISDU. Set the display select switch to PPOS, key in the latitude and longitude, and start the alignment. If you don't have the coordinates for the aircraft position, or if you don't want to stretch overhead to enter the data on the ISDU, you can go to the CDU and use the FMCS position data on the pause and it page. There are several ways to get there. From the index page, from the ident page, from the takeoff ref page, or from the pause ref 2-3 page. You can also get there with the init ref mode selected key. There are also several options to input the position. If you already know the coordinates, you can enter them directly on the CDU keyboard. Enter the latitude first, including the leading zeros and decimal point, and then select it into line 4R. Or line select any one of the following positions: last position, reference airport, gate, FMC position, ADIRU's left, or ADIRU's right. Select the position into the CDU scratch pad and then select it into line 4R. After you've entered the aircraft position, whichever way, set the ISDU display select switch to heading status and verify that there are no fault codes. If you get a fault code, deal with it and clear it before you continue with the alignment. Align time varies depending upon your latitude. At the equator, it takes about 5 minutes. But at extreme latitudes above the Arctic Circle region, it takes as long as 17 minutes. When the alignment completes, the ADIRUs will automatically transition into nav mode. Turn the switch to nav. Initializing the ADIRU isn't hard, but you have to do it right. Take care to enter the position data correctly, keep the aircraft stationary, and give the procedure enough time to complete. For more details about ADIRU alignment, refer to the pilot's guide or the aircraft maintenance manual.